I just picked up about 25 packs as a part of a larger collection. He kind of threw these in at the end, asked if I wanted them. Of course, I said yes. I think it ended up being about $50 extra to add these 5 packs. And typically, I mean, you kind of see behind me, even in front of me, there's a ton of just mainline, some premium. I'm not too into 5 packs, but, you know, I figured why not take a chance at it and see what's there. I'm just seeing right away, I saw the top line. There's a decent amount of new stuff on here. You know, we got a little night burners. That's okay. We got some Camaros. We got some Corvette, or not Corvettes, Mustang on there. You know, a little Nissan 300. Not too bad. And speaking of Nissan, we got the full Nissan pack here. You know, we got an R32 and an S13 in there. And then also the Datsun 620, the little pickup truck. You know, big fan of that. So those, you know, I kind of know what I'm doing. And this one, I mean, a couple months ago, it was like a $20 5-pack. This is probably $10 now or so. But these Ferrari 5-packs still sell like hotcakes on my Hot Wheels stream over on TikTok. So I can't complain. Anytime I can pick it up, you know, might as well. And then this is kind of a fun one. Little 5-pack of Ford Mustangs. Another popular car, you know, I'm a big fan of them too, is the Fox body. So that's a super clean looking Fox body. That's one I don't see very often in that white and red colorway. Super clean. Trying to stack these somewhat organized to the side. Then we got Fast and Furious with the Toyota Supra in there. I mean, we've got the Charger, the Challenger. That's a pretty sick looking 5-pack in there. Or sorry, the Charger and the Chevelle, not the Challenger. Pretty iconic cars though. And now we get into some more vintage where I'm not familiar. Honestly, I don't know the value of these vintage 5-packs, but I do know that they are pretty sweet because they're in the original case and they seem like 90s or so. This is 1994. We got some Off-Road Explorer Express or something. What do we got in there? Looks like a bunch of somewhat fancy cars, except the Range Rover and a little Honda 4-wheeler. That's cool. Another gift pack. Another truck one. This is really going to test my knowledge. I know we got an H1 up top there. A little Jeep on the bottom. This one's from 2000. And this is tough because they don't actually tell you what cars are in here. Oh, we do got a tag on it though. It says, what, $5? Okay, maybe it's worth $5. We'll take it. 1998 5-pack. Those are clean. You know, big fan of the muscle car. Little Woody. Not bad. This one's really old. Bunch of 50s cars. Ooh, slightly opened. Well, actually, it might have been all the way opened, huh? I think it was. Yep. Definitely opened. Not sealed. There goes half the value. Oh, no. From 1995, though. Pretty clean. Oh, yeah. You definitely been opened. Upside down car. Those look kind of funny, too. Those look like all fancy cars. Here we go, though. A nice truck pack from 1998. Pizza on Wheels, Rusty Pines Plumbing, Jerry's Electric, Stinky Diaper Cleaners, and the Hot Rod Handyman. I might actually give this one to my wife. We just had a baby. She's 2 months old now. Stinky Diaper Cleaners. That's pretty good. I will set that one to the side. Might have to open one. Why couldn't that be the one open? Of course it's not, you know. Okay, Batman. This looks kind of newer as well. What are you looking at? 2021. Batcopter, the Charger, the Batmobile, the Joker Mobile, and Harley Quinn Mobile. I didn't even know they drove cars. Whoa. We got a little racing set here from 1998. What is that one? Does anyone know what that is? I'll try to get a little closer. Man, I have no idea what that is. World of Racing Federation, Bradley Racing. I don't know, but it kind of looks like a Dodge Viper on the bottom. That's alright. I might have got scammed here. We'll see. Supercars. Alright, I see some Ferraris in there. We got a little Audi. We got a Jaguar. A little Dodge Viper from 1995. Got a little Viper on top. I think that's a Ferrari on bottom. Man, these castings used to be... They used to be tough. They do not look like a real car anymore. Even though they are. Even though they say they are. This is actually kind of a sick setup, though. The Eldorado. And the little... Is that a bone shaker? Or just a PT Cruiser or something? And that bike on the bottom. It's pretty sick. Let's see if I can turn down this light. Here we go. Maybe I'll stop reflecting on it. That's pretty sick. Oh, a whole police set. That's actually kind of cool. From 2000. DC Police, State Police Station, Hot Wheels County Sheriff. Actually, on my TikTok live stream, there's actually a decent amount of people who ask if I have any cop things, any cop cars or any cop whatever. So that's kind of a good find. Oh yeah, this is Hot Wheels Zombies. It's like a zombie eating brain thing down there. This has to be like 2020 something. Yeah, 2020. Oh, there's a Chevy Blazer and F-150 in there? Really? I mean, I knew the Blazer. Oh, yeah, the Ford's right in the middle. Okay. Two cars. Kind of no theme, but a little bit of a theme. Ooh, this is probably one of my favorite 5-packs I got. Got another one here with the muscle cars there. See if I can figure out what car that actually is. 58 Impala? 56 Impala? Something like that. Either way, I know it's clean. HotWheels.com for more fun play sets. Another race team. This has the little 57, 53 Chevy on the bottom there. That's clean. Oh, that Porsche is nice too. That Porsche is real nice up there. This guy's from 1997. Probably older than half the people watching this, which if you are watching, please subscribe. I appreciate the support so far. You guys have been awesome. Oh, is that like a John Deere in the middle? 1996. Is that an actual John Deere? Nah, I don't think so. Best of the West. Fresno Feed Co. That's pretty sick though. That is actually... That's cool. I'll take that. I live in like a farming town, so you know, I appreciate stuff like that. Oh, now we're talking. I'm a Chevy guy. Let's get a Chevy 5-pack. Why do we not have a C10 in here? This is like blasphemy. I know we got a Camaro. What was that? Monte Carlo on the bottom. Maybe a Bel Air, a Corvette, and a Camaro. A Blazer. No, that ain't no Blazer. This thing doesn't know what it's talking about. 1993. I think that's my oldest 5-pack though. Look how clean that is for, what, 33 years old? Jeez. Chevrolet 5-pack. Dang. That one. I also got put to the side. That's probably going to my personal collection. Big fan of that one. Ooh. Save the best for last here. Motor and Music from 2000. This 5-pack is... She's heavy and she's full metal. Oh, and that gold bottom. Oop. Gold bottom on that bottom car. It's like Eldorado or something. Punk rock. It's like dog hair in here. Look at that. See how dog hair everywhere. What do you think? I think I paid 50 bucks for all those. Was it worth it? I think so. Although these are pretty heavy, so shipping them won't be won't be fun. But if you see any you like, drop a comment below. Maybe I'll send them to you. If not, follow me on TikTok. Follow me on here. I got a lot more content, and I appreciate everyone's support. Thank you, and have a good day.